to have your grandmother's cookie recipe.
You mean the chocolate chip cookie recipe?
Yeah.
You mean the one that my grandmother made me swear on her deathbed that I would never let out of our family? Break my heart. Oh, all right. Okay.
Well, hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Phoebe Buffay's grandmother's infamous chocolate chip cookies from the beloved sitcom Friends. Let's go ahead and get started. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 2 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix those together in a separate bowl and set aside for later. Next, in your mixing bowl, add 1 cup or 2 sticks of softened butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated sugar and brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix those together until well incorporated and fluffy. You can also make this recipe with a hand mixer, but I like to use the stand mixer. Next, add in 2 whole eggs, 1 at a time, just to make sure that they're really incorporated. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you're going along. Next, we're adding in our flour, just a little bit at a time to try to eliminate making a huge mess. Mason was into it though. I think he thought it was snowing. This is actually pretty good for me. Normally there's a much bigger mess when I'm in the kitchen. Once that mixture has come together, it's time to add in our chocolate chips. We'll be adding in 1 12-ounce package of Nestlé Toll House chocolate chips. It's very important that you use Nestlé Toll House chocolate chips. There's also a cookie recipe on the back of this bag, but I'm pretty sure it's not as good as the one I'm showing you today. Wink, 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 wink. At this point, I would love to give you advice on how to get the bowl off of the mixer, but I'm not great at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? Now we will scoop the cookies onto the cookie sheets. I'm using a 1 1/2 tablespoon cookie scoop here. This recipe claims to make 5 dozen cookies. I was only able to make 3 dozen. So once those are ready to go, you'll put them in the oven. Bake at 375 degrees for about 9 to 11 minutes. And while those are in the oven, friends, let me know what Friends character you most identify as. I am definitely a Chandler, and Adam is some combination of Monica and Ross. And doesn't that just make sense? As you can see, somebody was very anxious to get these cookies out of the oven, but who can blame them? Allow the cookies to cool on the cookie sheets for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can transfer them to your cooling racks. This is our favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. We literally don't make any other chocolate chip cookie. I can see why Monica was so desperate to recreate it. I'm glad I'm able to share this with you so that you don't have to spend hours upon hours trying to recreate it yourself. Because trust me, you'll want to try these.
I'm
still not sure these ones are done.
cool.
They still feel pretty gooey.
Future me here to let you know that the recipe on the back of the Nestle chocolate chip bag is in fact Phoebe's grandma's recipe.
That is brand new information!
Well, either way, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to let me know what Friends character you most identify with.
My grandmother said she got the recipe from her grandmother, Nestlé Toll House.
Nestlé Toll House? Is this the recipe?